Hello everyone, Mark here and welcome back to our channel. So for today's video, pag-uusapan natin kung paano i-fix yung ating DepEd Commons Account activation, and we will be providing ways kung paano masusolusyonan yung mga error na nai-encounter natin. Kung bago ka pa lamang sa channel ko, please click on the subscribe button and beside it is the notification bell. Click mo na rin yung all para updated ka sa mga videos and tutorials na ginagawa natin at ina-upload natin every week. Then I repeat, these are the possible ways kung paano natin i-fix yung mga error na na-encounter natin, just like hindi tayo makareceive ng activation link or activation email, or nakalimutan natin mag-set up ng password, or paano mag-reset ng password natin on our DepEd Commons account, and pwedeng gumana sa inyo at pwede rin hindi gumana, okay? Pero at least trinay natin yung best natin for us to receive a DepEd Commons activation link, okay? So but before we proceed with those ways, ano nga ba itong si DepEd Commons account at para saan ba ito? As per DepEd OUA Memo 0008200083, your DepEd Commons account allows you to, number 1, full access to DepEd Commons mentor resources, and number 2 is unified login to link or sync to other supported DepEd apps and helping you to just keep one password to remember. This is the reason why they are pushing us to use the DepEd Commons account, kasi nga iisa na lang yung gagamitin nating password at pwede na nating ma-access yung mga iba't ibang apps. Okay? How to activate DepEd Commons account. On my previous video, pinakita ko doon, just click on the activation link and will redirect you to insert your new password and fill up the necessary information. Or you can just watch my previous video by clicking the link on the upper right corner of this screen. Frequently asked question number 2. Sir, what if na-open ko yung activation link and all of a sudden nag-session timeout siya? Or na-close ko yung browser accidentally? Ano po yung pwede nating gawin? Ang gagawin natin is to open our browser. And then, type natin, we have commons.deped.gov.ph, and on here, we're just going to click on the login nasa may kanan. Tapos pipindutin natin ang teacher account login. And then after clicking teacher account login, i-scroll natin sa baba at meron tayong makikita doon na forgot your password. I-click lang natin yon. Tapos ita-type natin yung ating email, which is, on my case, we have mark.kabatbat@r1.deped.gov.ph. R1 means region 1. So, depende po sa region natin. If you're from region 2, all you have to do is to type at r2.deped.gov.ph. And then after that, we are going to click on Send Me Reset Password Instructions. And once na na-click na natin yung reset password, i-open ulit natin ang ating email, which is outlook.office.com. May makikita tayo doon na DepEd Common Mailer. All we have to do is to click on that link and then pipindutin lang natin yung Change My Password na may link. And idadirect tayo sa common.deped.gov.ph wherein ito yung na-close natin. And then that's the time na ilalagay na natin yung ating password and confirm your password. And then once we click on Change Password, that is the time na i-update na natin yung ating profile on DepEd Commons. Frequently asked question number 3. No password reset instruction received on my email. Ano yung gagawin ko? I-open ulit natin ang ating Outlook mail. And here, hahanapin natin yung tinatawag nating spam folder. On Microsoft 365, ang spam folder po natin ay tinatawag po nating junk email. So, ang gagawin po natin is scroll down po natin and hahanapin ang junk email na pangalan. Kasi sometimes ang ating reset password ay nasisend sa ating spam folder or junk email. So, check lang po natin. Take note, kapag Outlook ang ginagamit po natin, junk email ang pagtitingnan natin. Pero kapag we are using the DepEd email, ibig sabihin, ang pangalan po niya ay spam folder. And siguraduhin natin na tama yung nilalagay natin na email doon sa reset password. Kasi sometimes ako, nilalagay ko is at r1.gov.ph. Sometimes naman nilalagay ko is at deped.r1.gov.ph. So, kailangan check nating mabuti. Frequently asked question number 4. I need to update my profile information. Saan ako pupunta? Ang gagawin lang natin is to open our commons.deped.gov.ph, and then on the right corner or right portion ng ating browser, we're going to click on Teacher Account Login, and then we are going to provide the necessary credentials such as the username and password, tapos click lang natin si Login. After logging in, meron tayong makikita sa taas na pangalan katabi ng logout at saka ng feedback. Andun yung pangalan natin. All you have to do is to click that. Tapos, that's the time na pwede na nating i-update yung ating profile by providing the network provider and school at saka yung contact number na rin natin. Then, after providing all the necessary information, ang gagawin na lang natin is to click on the update. Frequently asked question number 5. No activation email is received on my email. Ano po yung gagawin ko? Ito yung madalas na comment doon sa previous video ko, and at the same time, ito yung madalas na pini-PM at tinatanong sa akin on the messenger. So, yung gagawin natin? Check on the spam folder kasi minsan doon nagre-redirect yung ating activation email for DepEd Commons. Ensure that you are checking the correct email. Currently migrated DepEd emails are mostly the Office 365 accounts. Another thing is by going back to commons.deped.gov.ph and then teacher login or teacher account login. Tapos sa baba, meron tayong makikita na didn't receive confirmation instructions. Kiklik lang natin yon, and then we will provide our Office 365 account para mag-request ng confirmation instruction. Sometimes, gumagana rin ang ating DepEd email. Try nyo lang po. Then, just click on Resend Confirmation Instructions. Frequently asked question number 6. Forget password on Microsoft 365 account. Ano yung mga pwedeng gawin? So, yun. Kung halimbawa naman ay nakalimutan natin ang ating Microsoft 365 account, gagawin natin is magpo-proceed po tayo sa browser natin, and then type natin, we have office.com, and then makikita natin doon yung sign in button. Pipindutin lang natin yon. Tapos pagkatapos nun, meron tayong makikita na can't access your account. So, pipindutin din natin yon. Then after that, we're going to select work or school account created by your IT department. It's because our Microsoft 365 was created by our division ITO. So, pipindutin natin yon. Tapos, i-insert natin sa user ID yung ating Microsoft 365 account, which is on my case, I have mark.kabatbat at r1.deped.gov.ph. Tapos sa baba, meron tayong i-input na CAPTCHA. On our CAPTCHA, on my case, I can't read kasi yon, kaya pwede nating i-refresh yon para at least mag-generate siya ng panibagong CAPTCHA. Then, after typing yung ating CAPTCHA, ang susunod na gagawin is to press Next. Then, on here, meron tayong option na makikita wherein we have email, we have text my mobile number, we also have call my mobile number, then we have answer my security question. Wherein pipili ka lang ng isa. Okay? So, I'll be selecting email, which is usually yung naka-indicate yung ating DepEd email account as an alternate email. So, tandaan po natin, dalawa yung ating email. Then, after that, just click on email. And after that, meron tayong marireceive na email. Then, all you have to do is to open that email and follow the instruction para at least ma-reset natin yung ating password. And that's it for our video today. I hope na makapag-activate na po kayo ng inyong account sa DepEd Commons and makapag-update na rin po kayo ng inyong profile para at least makapag-comply po tayo on the deadline or before the deadline. Kung meron pa kayong mga katanungan according to the memo, pwede raw po tayong mag-email sa commons.helpdesk@deped.gov.ph. Okay po? Kung bago ka pa lang sa channel na to at nakatulong ang mga video na to, please consider subscribing on my channel and maraming salamat po. Stay safe and God bless.